Welcome to the 142nd episode of Lalita Divya Rahasya Sahasranama Stotra. Janis Joplin, a brilliant singer and a songwriter, died of accidental overdose of heroin. She died just before the release of her second album titled Pearl. When the album was released posthumously, it was a huge worldwide hit. Janis Joplin was only 27 when she died. So this is another case of a fast track saturation of a talented personality indulging in a multiple tastes. Let us move on. Next nama is Vijaya. The water element form of Vardha Mudra is Vijaya. Vardha Mudra, or through the posture of Vardha, Mudra means posture. The Kamalatmika Vidya has entered through this posture, Vardha Mudra. It was said that Kamalatmika Vidya is the highest form of Dasamaha Vidya. So all the remaining 9 forms of Dasamaha Vidya can be exhibited through Kamalatmika Vidya. Therefore, Vardha Nama is the root force for this Kamalatmika Vidya. Implementation of this Kamalatmika Vidya in the modern world, that is in the Kalyana. Through this root force of Vardha, the Rudra energy, Rudra is a terminating force, manifesting as the air element in Viswadhika Nama, Viswadhika Vedavedya Vinjachalavasini. The earth element of Vardha in Vidhatri, the fire element of Vardha in Kshetra Swarupa. That means the root force of Vardha manifesting as the air element of Viswadhika, as the earth element of Vidhatri, the fire element of Kshetra Swarupa. So what is left is water element. The water element of Vardha and the water nourishment of Kamalatmika through Vardha manifesting in the Nama Vijaya. So Vijaya means exhibition of ego through water element of Kamalatmika. Vijaya also means being beyond Jaya and Apajaya and able to control both. That is Vijaya. Jaya means victory, Apajaya means defeat. So Vijaya means being beyond victory and defeat and able to control the two. In Devi Purana, it was mentioned that forms of Shiva in 68 Tirtha are called Vijaya. Various forms of Shiva in 68 Tirthas are called Vijaya. This needs further elaboration. What is Tirtha? Tirtha means the source of unadulterated water nourishment. That is called Tirtha. Shiva means the energy form being beyond the 5 elements. So what could be that Shiva form having water element as ego and that is beyond Jaya and Apajaya? The heavy elements of moisture upon reaching the sky element transforming as rain, and similarly the light element of moisture absorbed into the groundwater. In both these events, the energy form of Shiva was present intrinsically. Inherently, Shiva was present in both these forms. That form of Shiva is known as Vijaya. So what is the significance of 68 Tirthas? After completion of 68, the next number is 69. 69 is 23 into 3, the multiplication of 23 into 3. The interaction of 23 genetic codes with 3 granthis or knots results in 69 tirtha. Out of these 69 forms, one form will break apart, having a finite lifetime, and enters the residence known as Chintamani, the reproductive organ or the corridor of our existence. That is the residence. It is the one form of Vijaya having a finite lifetime, entering the yoni, dictates and facilitates the migration of soul towards assuming a physical body. Therefore, through Vijaya, it seems preparations are going on in Kalyana for inviting new souls to assume physical bodies. Through the Nama Vijaya, Kaulini re-enters planet Earth. In Devi Purana, Viditya Padmanamapam Daityarajam Mahabalam Trishu Lokeshu Vikhyata Vijaya Chaparajita Anvinasya Site Pakshe Rasamyam Tarakodaye Sakalo Vijayogneya Sarvakaryartha Siddhida. In a scripture known as Ratnakosa, Ishatyam Jamatikranta Kinchidunni Drataraka Vijayo Namakaloyam Sarvakaryartha Sadhaka Ekadaso Muhurtoyo Vijaya Parikirtita Tasminyatra Vidhatavya Sarvairvi Jayakanshika. Next nama is Vimala. The water element in Vardha Mudra or the Vardha posture manifesting as intellect, that is Vimala. Through Vijaya, water nourishment form of Kamalatmika manifested as personality, and through Vimala, the water nourishment form of Kamalatmika manifesting as intellect. Out of 69 combinations of interaction of genetic code with 3 granthis or knots, one form breaks away and was utilized by the soul assuming physical body. With this one form of energy, soul enters mother's womb. Remaining 68 forms are being discharged, rejected from yoni as unutilized forms. These are being excreted. So Vijaya or the victory is a choice made by the soul that is ready to assume a physical body. What is this choice that is made, that is chosen by the soul? Water nourished Kamalatmika Vidya as having personality and having a form known as Vijaya. The soul energy gets uplifted after making the choice of Vijaya. The remaining 68 forms are discarded by the soul and they are manifested as Vimala. Mala means excretion. Vimala means being beyond Mala and Amala and the ability to control the two. Hence, Vimala represents heavy water element or the intellect. In Padma Purana, Vimala Purushottame, and in a scripture known as Vishwakarma Shastra, Dhruvam Dhanyam Jayam Kantam Vipulam Vijayam Tadha Sumukam Vimalam Nandam Nidhanam Cha Manorama. Through this nama, Vimala Kulayogini re-enters planet Earth. Remaining namas we'll explore in the next episode. Thank you.